Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. And if you stayed with the video to this point, I thank you for the support you're giving this channel. Of course, this was another Tablescape Sunday collaboration. And Tablescape Sunday is hosted by the Diva Dynasty. This week, it was Cynthia of Cynthia SheSoBless. Now, the rest of the Diva Dynasty are Miss Alberta of Mysterious Alberta, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And again, this was the summer and fall Tablescape Sunday collaboration. Please make sure to find your way down to the description box. Make sure you check out all of these ladies' channels. They all have wonderful content. They're great creators. Also, make sure that you visit the playlist. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button today. Make sure you tap that button 2 times or that bell 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and share if you like this video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye.